Hi, boys and girls. It's time for another writing lesson. And today, Wednesday, September 23rd, we are still focusing on verbs. But let's review what we learned on Monday about verbs. A verb is a word that shows action, like run, read, fish. I can run. We read every day. I like to fish with my brother. Those words are verbs. They're the action part of the sentence. Well, today our focus will be on identifying verbs that happen in the past. It's an action that's already happened. Let's look at our learning target. I can identify past tense verbs so I can write sentences that show actions in the past. I will know I have it when I use verbs in my sentences correctly. I have some sentences here because we're taking this definition of verb just one step further. We know that a verb is a word that shows action. It's the action part of our sentence. But verbs also tell when the action is happening. Billy tosses the ball. Dad steers the boat. Sarah washes the paintbrushes. Those are all verbs that are happening now. It's just like I can run. We're running now. Read now. It's the present. But if it had already happened and it was in the past, we would write Billy tossed the ball. We would write Dad steered the boat. We would write Sarah washed the paintbrushes. And now, because we have added the ed to those verbs are showing actions that's already happened. I'm going to adjust my camera so you can also see the bottom of the anchor chart because I want to talk about these words too. But I want you to think verbs that are happening now are actions in the present. Verbs that usually end in ed means they're in the past. That's already happened. I want to talk to you about some words, cry and worry. These words end with a consonant and a Y. So to make them past tense, they're verbs, but you would change the Y to an I and add ed. The baby cried last night. Worry. You change the Y to an I and you add ed. I was worried about the first day of school. This word, stop, a vowel and then a consonant. So you double that consonant. And it's add the ed. And now it's gone from a present tense verb to a past tense verb. Hug, a vowel and then a consonant. So you double that consonant, H-U-G, G, G, E, D. It's gone from a present tense verb to a past tense verb. So that's our lesson about verbs. And it's real important when you are writing your sentences that you think, am I writing about something that's happening right now? Or am I writing about an event like a personal narrative that happened in the past that I've already experienced? So, as you're writing your sentences, I want you to think, am I using the right verb tense? Is it happening now or has it happened in the past? And I can't wait to read your sentences.